Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh semua. Okey, kita harap semua sihat. Okey, so minggu lepas kita dah sentuh topik where are you from, tapi dalam part 2 iaitu kita fokuskan dalam topik contractions, iaitu refer to the grammar focus yang mana singkatan kan. Okay, so today we will explore in the part 3, which is things I do. Alright. Okay, so this is two learning objectives that you must achieve by at the end of this lesson. Okay, the first one, teacher nak kamu perlu tahu, the pupil able to talk about daily activities. Okay, nanti kita akan explore apa itu daily activities. And then number 2, teacher nak kamu identify adverb frequency. Okay, yang ni kamu dah belajar pun di masa kamu darjah 3. So, kita akan revise balik. Alright. So, what's your daily activities today? Okay, so apa kamu punya aktiviti seharian belajar? So, macam teacher, okay, antara aktiviti yang teacher selalu buat everyday, teacher akan in the morning teacher akan work from home. Macam sekarang lah COVID kan, kalau tak ada COVID, so teacher akan work from school, and then every evening teacher will play badminton or do some exercise. So teacher believe you also has your daily activities. Alright, so let you see. Okay, so this is a few of my activities, okay, which is ice skating ring. That means meluncur di gelanggang ais. Meluncur di gelanggang luncur ais. Yang kamu selalu tengok kan dekat Shah Alam, I think. So kat sini kamu ada setengah orang, so dia akan buat activities dia, ice skating, and then ada juga yang play chess, bermain chess, and then ada yang bermain football everyday. Ni mostly boys lah kan, yang akan bermain bola sepak pada waktu petang. And then ada juga a few student or a few people or our friends yang akan play badminton, iaitu bermain badminton. Teacher also play badminton every evening. Okay, so this is also a few activities that you can do during your free time or as your daily activity, like playing baseball, bermain bola keranjang, and then skateboarding, bermain papan selaju. Okay, so that is a few of daily activities. And then we look at adverb of frequency. So, what mean by adverb of frequency? Adverb frequency is an adverb of frequency that tells us how often something takes place. Which mean kekerapan, berapa kekerapan sesuatu perkara rutin, which mean our daily activity yang kita buat. Okay, so there are 4 adverbs that you need to know, and then I think you have learned in the past year 3. So let we revise again. So for number 1 is always. Always ni adalah sesuatu yang selalu kamu buat every day, which mean if we have 7 days, so 7 days you will do these activities. For example, like this, I always skate before dinner. Maksudnya saya selalu bermain papan selaju sebelum makan. Okay, so usually pula biasanya ataupun kebiasaannya, which mean in 7 days you only do in 5 or 6 days, like that. Okay, so adalah dalam sehari kamu akan tak buat benda ni. Okay, so for example, you usually play baseball after school. Maksudnya kamu selalu ataupun biasanya bermain baseball selepas sekolah. Okay, and then let's see the next slide. Okay, so this is sometime. As you can see, the red color is half, right? So daripada kotak tu, warna merah hanya separuh je. So sometimes ni merujuk kepada kadang-kadang. Okay, if example you have 7 days, so you may do these activities only 3 or 2 times a week still. So let me see. The example in this slide show he sometimes play chess. Maksudnya dia kadang-kadang bermain chess. Okay. If you see never, adverb frequency never ni adalah sesuatu yang tak pernah kamu lakukan. Which means in a week, you never do this activity. Even once a day, no. So, for example, they never play volleyball. So, maksudnya mereka tak pernah pun bermain bola tampar. Okay. So, boleh faham ada 4 adverb kat sini. Always, usually, sometimes, never. Okay. So, let me see the next slide. Okay. So, teacher nak kamu read aloud. Ikut teacher baca. Okay. So, this is, you may refer textbook at the page 8, I think. So, a day in the life of a figure skater. Okay. So, kita tengok Megan ni. So, Megan is 9 years old. Okay, Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. Okay, so this is about Megan. So, Megan ni okay. Teacher terangkan sedikit lah dalam bahasa Melayu dia. Megan ni kebiasaannya dia akan pergi bermain ais, meluncur di tempat luncur ais pada pukul 6:30 pagi. Kemudian, after that, she will go to school 7:45. Maksudnya 7:45. 7:45 tu maksudnya 15 minit sebelum pukul 8. So, dia akan bergerak ke sekolah. So, lepas sekolah, dia akan buat her homework. Do her homework ni maksudnya melakukan kerja rumah atau kerja sekolah. Okay. Dan dia cakap, Megan sometimes watch TV. So, kadang-kadang dia akan menonton television selepas makan after dinner. And then apa yang dia buat? So, she always go to bed at 8 o'clock at night. So, maksudnya dia sentiasa, setiap hari, every day, dia akan tidur pada pukul 8 malam. Okay. So, this is about Megan. Okay. So, let me see about Pablo. Okay. So, a chess player. Okay. So, Pablo is 10 years old. Okay. So, let's read about Pablo. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and play chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Okay, so teacher akan explain sikit. So, dia cakap, Pablo goes to school at 8:15. Okay. Tadi 7:45 kan? 7:45, 15 minit sebelum pukul 8. So, 8:15, 15 minit selepas pukul 8, maksudnya pukul 8 subuh. Okay, dia cakap, selepas dia pergi sekolah, okay, Pablo ni dia tak terus balik ke rumah. Cakap apa? He always, nampak tak? Dia sentiasa pergi ke chess club. Untuk buat apa kat sana? Bermain chess. And then dia usually, kebiasaannya akan pulang ke rumah pada pukul 6 petang. Okay. After he does his homework, okay. Selepas dia buat kerja rumah dia, so dia akan makan malam. So, and then dia cakap apa? He sometimes play chess on his computer. Maksudnya, okay, dia juga akan bermain game chess dalam komputer dia. Maksudnya yang ada dekat dalam komputer dia. Okay. And then, Pukul berapa dia tidur? Okay, so dia cakap Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock. So maksudnya Pablo ni biasanya dia akan tidur pada pukul 9 malam. So maksudnya kata kalau dalam seminggu tu, okay, kata kalau dalam 5-6 hari tu dia akan tidur pada pukul 9. Sebab biasanya bukan setiap hari, okay? Not always. Always tu sentiasa. Usually tu which mean in 7 days, 6 or 5 days. So dalam beberapa hari tu dia akan tidur pada pukul 9 malam. Okay. So this is today homework. Okay. So teacher nak kamu please read about a day in a life of a figure skater, which is Megan, that 9 years old, and then a chess player, which is Pablo, is 10 years old. So, teacher nak kamu baca. Okay, read again apa yang teacher baca dengan kamu tadi berdasarkan kisah hidup seorang pemain skating, iaitu meluncur ais, and then seorang lagi adalah kisah seorang lelaki yang bernama Pablo, iaitu pemain chess, seorang pemain chess. Okay, so and then please do exercise number 2 and number 4. Okay. So this is exercise number 2. Okay, teacher nak kamu read again and answer the question. Okay, so there is 6 question below. So you need to read and then you need to understand. Okay, so for example number 1 dia dah buat kan. Dia tanya apa? Does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? Adakah Megan pergi school pada 20 minit sebelum pukul 8? 20 to 8. So, kamu refer balik kan. Tadi Megan pergi ke sekolah pada a quarter to 8. A quarter to berapa minit? 50 minit to 8. So, kalau salah kamu cakap, no, she doesn't. Kalau betul, kamu cakap, yes, she does. Okay. So, kita tengok number 2. Okay. Does Pablo go to school at a quarter past 8? Adakah Pablo pergi ke sekolah 15 minit selepas pukul 8? Okay. Kalau betul, jawab yes, he does. Kalau salah, jawab yes, he doesn't. Okay. Nampak tak? He tu refer kepada untuk seorang lelaki. Kalau she tu refer kepada merujuk kepada perempuan lah. Okay. So, clear? Alright, so let's see the next slide. Okay, this is the last slide. So, okay, number 4, activity. So, I need you to draw this table. Okay, exactly like this. And then, for example, number 1, the activities is get up at 7 o'clock, right? Okay, so kata kalau kamu, dia tanya kat sini, adakah kamu bangun pada pukul 7 pagi? So, kalau kamu kerap bangun, memang sentiasalah hari-hari kamu bangun pukul 7 pagi. So, teacher nak kamu tandakan tick pada ruangan always. Kalau biasa je dalam seminggu tu, kata kalau ada 5 atau 6 hari, kamu tick pada kotak usually. Kalau sometimes ni, kalau macam 2-3 hari macam tu je kamu bangun pukul 7 pagi. Kalau never tu tak pernah, kalau kamu tak pernah bangun pagi pukul 7, kamu tandakan kotak tu. Dan selainnya lah, dia akan tanya play football, adakah kamu bermain bola sepak, ataupun adakah kamu play chess, adakah kamu bermain chess, ataupun do homework after school, ada tak kamu buat kerja sekolah selepas pulang daripada sekolah lah. Okay. And then, adakah kamu tengok TV selepas makan, ataupun do you go to bed at 9:30? 9:30 ni, adakah kamu tidur pada pukul 9.30 malam, iaitu half 30 minit selepas pukul 9. Okay, so clear class? So teacher harap kamu dapat apa yang kita belajar pada hari ini, iaitu kamu dapat talk about daily activities, iaitu beberapa aktiviti seharian yang kamu buat okay, pada masa lapang. And then yang keduanya, kamu dapat identify adverb frequency tadilah. Okay, yang ni tadi, okay, ni adalah a few activities vocab yang ada dekat dalam itu. So ada lagi yang lain like cycling, gardening, apa ni,